from BBN Live classes. I am English teacher and we are taking our topic today, sentence. Yeah, we all know that there are four types of sentence. Number one, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Number two, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Number three, imperative sentence. Number four, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. We already discussed about the assertive sentence and its parts. Now we will start our topic today. Assertive, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now, interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Now, a sentence that asks questions. A sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative. Is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. Suppose one example. The example for this, that where do you live? Where do you live? Number one. Number two, do you know him? Do you know him? Do you know him? Do you know him? Okay, this is interrogative sentence. Where do you live and do you know him? There are two types of the interrogative sentence. That is a question. Where do you live? Suppose example will come here. Where do you live? Answer will be here. I live in Sikar. And do you know him? The answer will become here. Yes, I am. Yes, I know him. So two types of interrogative sentence is there. One thing also, interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks questions. जिस sentence के द्वारा question पूछी जाती है, the sentence that help us to ask questions, this is called interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentence is two types. Where do you live? One question. Another, do you know him? Second question. So interrogative sentence is divided into the two. But in two ways we can ask questions. Yes. Next time we are going for the parts of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is written in two ways. Number one, using the WHO words. Using the WHO words, number one, and number two, using the helping verb. Using the helping verb. We know that there are 24 helping verbs in English. So these 24 verbs are used for the asking questions also, and the WHO words. Those words are started with W and the H. They are also used for this interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence is written in two ways. Where do you live? Suppose, when do you get up? When do you get up? Clear? One question that is started with the W, and how are you? How are you? This is also, it is started with W and this is started with H. So these words are called WHO words. These are two words. These two words are called WHO words. And using the helping verb. What are the helping verbs? Suppose For this example, am I going there? Am I going there? Number one. Number two, is he a good boy? Is he a good boy? क्या वो एक अच्छा लड़का है? Am I going there? क्या मैं वहां जा रहा हूं? देखो, this one, these two, am and is, these are the helping verb. These are the helping verb, and they are also used. They are also used for making questions, and the question sentences are called interrogative sentence. Now we'll discuss about the imperative sentence. Now imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses order, request, permission, wish, beg, etc. Each called an imperative sentence. Is called an imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses order. एक सेंटेंस जिसकी फीलिंग्स या जिसका जो भी मीनिंग है ऑर्डर होगा. रिक्वेस्ट, सपोज यू आर मेकिंग रिक्वेस्ट टू गेट समथिंग. परमिशन, विश, बेग, एक्सेट्रा. ईच कॉल्ड एन इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटेंस. जो सेंटेंस ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, परमिशन, अनुमति, इच्छा, बेग, प्रार्थना, इन सब चीजों को प्रकट करेगा, इन सब चीजों को बारे में बताएगा, उस सेंटेंस को बोला जाता है इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस. एग्जांपल फॉर दिस, सपोज ऑर्डर attack the enemy at once. Attack the enemy at once. A troop of soldiers, the higher person, the supreme person of a troop of soldiers, order his soldiers that to attack the enemy. Number two, this is called order. It is here order. Next, request. Please give me a glass of water. This is called request. Permission. Second one is a permission. May I go out, sir? May I go out, sir? This is our permission. Wish. Happy birthday to you. Suppose happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Beg. This is also beg. Please give me something to eat. Please give me something to eat. This is beg. So these are the this is our permission. And happy birthday to you, wish. And this is beg. Okay. A sentence that expresses order, request, permission, wish, beg, etc. is called an imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are number one. Attack the enemy at once. This is also order. Please give me a glass of water. Request. May I go out, sir? Permission. Happy birthday to you. We are you wishing to someone. Happy birthday to you. And a beggar. भिखारी है, लोगों को क्या मांगता है, प्लीज गिव मी ए ग्लास, गिव मी समथिंग टू ईट, मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए दे दो. शी इज रिक्वेस्ट प्रेइंग टू पीपल. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एन इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस. नाउ वी आर हैविंग exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a sentence that expresses strong or sudden feeling. Strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. What is there? A sentence that expresses strong or sudden feeling. Strong or sudden feeling. Put exclamation here. A sentence that expresses strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Example we can say here. Hurrah! We have won the match. Hurrah! We have won the match. Number one. Number two. Alas! He had died. He had died in an accident. For a beautiful Taj Mahal is. Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, he had died in an accident. What a beautiful the Taj Mahal is. These are the sentence of exclamatory sentence. These are the example of exclamatory sentence. These all are, अगर हम ताजमहल को देखने के बाद में अपने अंदर से एक्साइटेड होकर चिल्लाने लग जाते हैं कितना सुंदर ये बिल्डिंग है. अगर हम लोग को दुख होता है, कोई अगर इंसान अगर एक्सीडेंट से डाइड हो जाता है एक्सीडेंट से, तो हम लोग उसके लिए दुख प्रकट करते हैं. Alas, he had died in accident. एंड अगर हम कोई मैच जीतते हैं तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि बुरा वी हैव वॉन द मैच. तो दिस इज द टॉपिक of sentence. It is completed here. Okay, thank you.